Hey guys, Doug here from Motion. We are back with another GTO build series. We're crunching on this thing, trying to get it ready so we can do some decent testing before Rocky Mountain Race Week 2, which is happening in the middle of September. We're basically getting the engine bay ready, filled, painted, and gonna start reassembling.
Getting it ready for Herm.
Trial and error side.
I'm gonna go get Herm.
Hello.
Wow, about time you started doing something around here.
Don't start with me. Filling holes. Where you going? Which one you going for? That one? Ooh, that one's nice and flat. What happened? You hot? Go stick it in the fucking sink. I don't think it's that hot, is it? Make sure you use cold. Make sure you use cold water.
He did jump back a little bit.
Done. Is that it?
I think so. I don't know. What was your job?
What? Now what?
Grind them all down.
I don't think so.
What's
Sanding her down?
Yeah, scuff her up a little bit.
Is any body filler or anything going in any of these, or just painted over?
It should, but I'm just gonna get painted over, I think.
So do we have paint already for it?
I believe he's got some, but he was ordering more. He didn't think he had enough.
Oh, okay.
I'll probably get it taped off. Try to put some primer on it today.
John's is gonna be a regular old body, man.
Hot damn.
Yeah, I'm wondering if we shouldn't get some Bondo and try and smooth it out on there.
Yeah.
Just for that one spot
Just for
right here,
that.
since it's like right in your face.
This side's not so bad, but that side was so wavy and it was like
tell
other
Mitch to come
brackets that were.
Tell Mitch to bring it over. You ever done Bondo before?
No.
No.
You've never used Bondo?
I never have. I don't paint stuff.
Few friends that do it. I don't have to. A little too much hardener in the first batch. Dried up real quick.
Oh,
Didn't
yeah.
do much.
I can smell that Bondo smell. Oh yeah. Fresh. Looks good.
Turned out decent.
Yeah. Just gotta get that clear on there now.
Yeah.
So you'll have this dry, and at the end of the day, have the engine in, ready to go?
Yeah, for sure.
For some spray cans, it's pretty
painted
good.
over that? It's taped off, man. Is that ever gonna dry in this humidity?
Take a week.
The base coat dried pretty good. I just threw a coat of clear on. Not too shabby.
Those look nice, those holes all smoothed out. We used to have freaking 100 extension cords around here, and now I can't find one.
These little spacer deals. Out here somewhere-ish.
Oh yeah.
Kind of like that.
Nice. Where do you have the battery before?
I have no idea.
Huh.
I was trying to figure that out too. I don't know where it was. It was all long stripped long ago.
You said two years ago?
At least a year and a half, probably 2 years ago.
What do you got here?
We took the breathers, normally for the valve covers, with no baffles, and made them into turbo drains
Nice.
into the oil pan. Turned out pretty slick.
Hey Mitch.
What's up? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not very good at running this.
So today's the last day of the main.
The main is still gonna be mulleted.
Okay.
I'm not cutting it off yet. I'm not.
Are you trimming the beard too, or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. You'll look like a whole new
I
man.
will look very different. I will get a lot less. You need a haircut on this.
Oh my god, did you see the ones on the video?
Does that get a lot of them on there?
Yeah, there were a few. He's got a Prica. What up, Prica?
What up, dude? Got some goods here.
Oh yeah, you got a full load.
Yeah, ×2. Made the long haul.
Saw the rails.
These are coil brackets for the valve covers. Those are front Zeus rails for box bodies. These are just all sorts of different valve cover coil brackets. It's a lot of flipping rails.
A little bit closer. Yeah. I saw Mitch was trimming up some of those spacers.
Yeah. All the times I've walked back and forth, you think I could have grabbed an impact in one of those?
You don't have one over here?
I do. I just, as I keep walking back and forth, I still haven't went just to the toolbox and grabbed one.
So out of the way. Yeah.
Right.
We just got about 2 pallets worth, about 8,500 individual pieces of anodizing, back from anodizing, thanks to Perka. Help. And so now we're just scrambling to try to get everybody's back orders out right away, as quick as we can.
Nice.
And it's currently, what time is it right now?
3:04.
So we have about an hour. We have about an hour that we can ship.
No, those are big. Those are small.
You catch cans?
Yep.
Yeah,
Looking good. I wonder who made those.
I don't know.
Come out.
They look good.
They look a little shiny.
Oh, fancy. 6 of the screws. Sorry.
Would you agree?
I think they do look
Like a tad
shinier than
shinier.
normal.
They got a good finish on
They got a good finish.
Yeah, that one right there.
They're
looks really
programmed
shiny.
like a boss.
Yeah.
They're nice.
You have to re-particle yours. Sorry.
Real nice.
Anodizers.
I'm just gonna start saying everything underneath. Oh, they just traced it.
Nailed it.
Oh, there it is.
Nailed it. Ready?
Traced that one on there too.
Yep.
Smart people.
Did they
Look at
figure-
A nice little circle.
I like that. Oh, that's the coolant top.
Yep, coolant
because
top
it's
one. This one's got
got two holes.
by the bottoms.
bottom.
Pitch can bottoms,
That's funny.
tops.
I got a few more. Well, maybe. Somebody can say it.
Get some paint for
Powder
those.
coater.
Good thing it's mine.
Displays and shirts. You know the goodies. And some of those catch cans of the old display there.
New display now. New cans, new display.
New cans is looking good.
Also looking good.
Just like your cans.
Well, we got the engine bay all cleaned up, painted up, and back together, ready for the engine to go in. The battery tray all mounted up. I'll just sent some stuff off to powder coating. That's it for this week. See you next time.